Use a multimeter as a pro. A multimeter is an electronic measuring instrument that can measure various electrical parameters such as voltage, AC DC, current AC DC, resistance, continuity, diode testing, capacitance, transistor testing, and measuring amplification factor. It's a versatile tool for troubleshooting and testing electrical and electronics circuits. There are two types of multimeters. We have analog and digital, but with us here today we have a digital multimeter. So this is a digital multimeter. This is a design according to this manufacturer. You'll find another digital multimeter, but not designed like this. It was designed by another manufacturer. But let's just have an image of how a digital multimeter looks like. Parts of a digital multimeter. Number one, we have display. Display. This one here. This LCD display. LCD screen that shows the measuring value as a numerical readout. So let me turn on. So this is where the readings will be showing. Okay. For visibility in dimly lit areas, some display have a backlight. So let me turn on first. Yes. So in a dark area, you can turn on this light and you'll be able to read your readings. A digital display is often easier to read than the needle and scale system of an analog meter. So this one you just get, if it's 12, you just get 12 point. If it's 2 point, you see it's very easy to read compared to analog meter. Number two is selection dial or function switch. This one here, the one I'm rotating here, selection dial. This is the central rotary diode used to select the measurement function, such as voltage, AC, DC, current, AC, DC, or resistance. A multimeter often separates settings for alternating current and DC current. So this is what will allow you to select. You can select alternating voltage like this one. You can select current here, because alternating current, you can select diode, you can select resistance, you can select DC voltage, you can select AC voltage. Okay, so using this selection dial switch. Then we have input junks. Input junks, this one here. 1, 2, 3. Input junks. These are input junks. These are the ports on the multimeter front panel where the test leads are plugged in. So this is where you plug the test lead. A standard multimeter has 3 junks. 1, 2, 3 standard. Each marked for a different purpose. We have number one, we have common. This common here. Common here. This is the neutral in alternating current or AC, and it's ground for the DC current. This is where the black test LED is always connected. So the black leads or probe is always connected here. Then we have voltmeter, ohmmeter, and milliammeter. Ammeter, but in milli scale. So if you want to measure voltage, resistance, and small current, the probes will be plugged between the ground and this part here. This here. So the black probe will be inserted here and the red will be inserted here. So this will allow you to measure voltage, resistance, current, diodes, capacitors, continuity, etc. Okay? Then we have 10 amps here. 10 amps here. This jack is used for measuring large current, typically those exceeding 200 milliamps up to 10 amps. So you can measure up to 10 amps. So you will connect the black here at common and the red at 10 amps. Okay. So measuring current, large current, it is between common and 10 amps. Measuring voltage, resistance, continuity, small current, capacitance is between this and that and common. So V here means voltmeter. This omega means this is the SI unit of resistance. This is the SI unit of current, and this is the SI unit of voltage. Here. Then we have the test leads and or probes. Now this one here. These ones are called test leads or probes. These are flexible insulated wires that connect the multimeter to the circuit being tested. They come in a pair with one black and one red. So you can see here, one is black, one is red. The leads have banana plugs connectors on one end to connect to the multimeter. So this one here, the black and the red. Input junk. The other end of the probes, which can vary in type. So the other end here can be in different type. Number one, it can be in needle type, like this one. Pointer, you can see this one is like a needle type. These are the standard sharp-tipped probes used to make precise contact test points. We can have alligator and we can have hooks. Okay. So those are the common part of a multimeter. So if I want to measure like this one, you can see, you can plug this one here. Then you can also shift it here. The only one which moves is red. Here and there. Okay. Now how do you measure this